नमस्कार स्वागत छ सिक्किम क्रोनिकलमा। आजको दिनमा 1989 मा हिज होलिनेस द 14th दलाई लामालाई नोबल पीस प्राइजसित सम्मानित गरेको थियो र यसै उपलब्धिमा यो सेलिब्रेट गर्नको लागि विभिन्न टिबेटन कम्युनिटिज अल ओभर द वर्ल्डले सेलिब्रेट गरिन्छ यो दिनलाई। र आज भने टिबेटन युथ क्लब अफ ग्यान्टोक है, टिबेटन युथ क्लब मेरो पछाडि हेर्नुहुनेछ, उहाँहरूले एउटा बाइक र्याली अर्गनाइज गर्नुभएको छ। यो बाइक र्याली चाहिँ टुरिज्मदेखि लिएर नाथाङसम्म उहाँ जानुहुन्छ, विच इज द इन्डो टिबेटन बोर्डर। र अहिले हामी बात गर्नेछौँ टिबेटन युथ क्लबको प्रेसिडेन्ट तेन्जिङ पेल्बरसित। हेर्नुहोस् यो रिपोर्ट। र अहिले हामीसँग टिबेटन युथ क्लबका प्रेसिडेन्ट हुनुहुन्छ तेन्जिङ पेल्बर। वेलकम टु सिक्किम क्रोनिकल।
थ्याङ्क यू।
टिवाइसी कहिले फर्म भएको?
हाम्रो टिवाइसी चाहिँ 7 अक्टोबर 1960 मा चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो यो टिबेटन युथ कङ्ग्रेस भन्ने छ हो त्यो अर्गनाइजेसन चाहिँ फर्म भएको। अन्त टिवाइसी टिबेटन युथ क्लब ग्यान्टोक चाहिँ त्यो अर्गनाइजेसनको एउटा च्याप्टर हो। अन्त यहाँ ग्यान्टोकको पनि वी प्राउडली से द्याट हामी पनि 1960 मै फर्म भएको हो। त्यसले गर्दा वी हेभ कम्प्लिटेड 50 years।
So why does TYC celebrate this day?
Today is, as you all know, it's 10 December and it's the Nobel Prize Day. Back in 1989, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama was confronted with the Nobel Peace Prize award, and to celebrate that, every year we Tibetan and the followers of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, we organize events to celebrate the honor.
So why is bike rally organized this year? What is the motive behind it?
Since it's the Nobel Peace Prize Day, at the same time 10 December is also observed as the International Human Rights Day. So today we have organized a rally, motorcycle rally towards the McMahon line, which is the Indo-Tibet border, just to mark that the Chinese government in Tibet, they are violating human rights. And on this day, on International Human Rights Day, we would like to rise up and resist against the Chinese violation and inhuman behavior they have been doing in Tibet, and it's worsening every day.
So how do you think the teaching of His Holiness the Dalai Lama has impacted the daily lives of the youth?
As I said before, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama was confronted with the Nobel Peace Prize because His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama always responded to the Chinese brutality by peaceful solutions, and he has always advocated compassion and peace around the world. So this is a very I think we are very fortunate enough to live in his time, his generation, and his message has been followed by so many followers in all over the world.
So any other initiative that Tibetan Youth Club has taken?
Especially during the pandemic, we were privileged to help the Sikkim government to evacuate the stranded students, and we even because TYC, we are a chapter and we have many other chapters in all over the India. So because of through our other chapters, we could help stranded Sikkimis who were left outside Sikkim, and we even distributed groceries and other necessary supplies to the people who were needy in Gangtok.
So any other initiative taken by TYC in the upcoming days for welfare of the future?
As I'm sure you all know that we have been doing so much, and we will be doing, because we are very grateful to our host, India and Sikkim, especially Sikkim. And I would also like to thank Sikkim government for granting us permission to organize such a historic event which has never happened before, and we are very thankful. And not only from us, our messages are coming from our other chapters also, that they are very thankful to the state government for granting us this permission and allowing us to go to the McMahon line border, which is the Indo-Tibet border.
So at the end, how many bikes will be participating today in the rally?
Since this year TYC, Tibetan Youth Club Gangtok and Tibetan Youth Congress has completed 50 years. So to commemorate that, we have organized 50 bike riders to commemorate the struggle and the freedom struggle and the hard work we have put in so far.
Thank you so much.
How are you?
Hi.
Hey, hello.